In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open your third eye. So, for you to open your third eye, you need to understand the concept of the 7 chakras. There's something called the 7 chakras. Now, the 7 chakras, it doesn't really matter who you are, as long as you're a human being, you have it. Whether you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, you're a Buddhist, whatever. Just like all human beings have brains, okay? You can't say because you're a Muslim, you don't have a brain. Or maybe because you're a Christian, then Muslims don't have brains. It doesn't work that way. So everybody has the 7 chakras. This is a human being. Let's use this as an illustration of a human being, okay? The hands, the legs. This is the crown chakra. I'm going to explain to you how to open your third eye and what it really means. This is the crown chakra. This is the first one from the top, okay? Here, there's another chakra, which is the third eye. The third eye chakra. The chakra means vortex. Okay? That's just the meaning. So chakras does not mean evil spirit or demonic stuff. It's just a language. It's an ancient language. Sanskrit. So because something is Sanskrit does not mean it's evil spirit. No. It's an ancient language. Just like Afrikaans or South African language, or maybe Spanish. Is Spanish evil? Spanish is not evil. So if you are speaking an Argentinian language, is it evil? No. Chakras means vortex or space. That's the meaning. So you have 7 spaces, 7 vortex of energy. The first one is at the top of the head, just there. At the top of the head. This one is responsible for connection to God. If you don't have this connection, if this chakra is not filled, you'll be having headaches because of you don't believe in God. So you just be having headaches. You'll be having mental issues. Now, the second one is the third eye chakra. It's just a space, a spiritual space, kind of like an astral space. You can't see it with your physical eyes, but you can feel it. This one is responsible for seeing visions. If your third eye chakra is not accumulated with energy, you will have issues with your brain. The, left and right hemisphere. You have issues with it. And you have issues with your eyes also. Now, the third one, this is the third chakra. It's called the throat chakra. It's responsible for manifestation, communication, creativity. Singers use this a lot. Then we have the fourth one, which is the heart chakra. If you have issues with this chakra, you have heart diseases, maybe lung infections and all kind of things. This is the fourth one. The fifth chakra is the solar plexus chakra, or the belly chakra. Solar plexus or belly chakra as the fifth one. This one is responsible for willpower. People use this one for telekinesis, invisibility, healing, and all kind of stuff. But that's beyond the scope of this video. I just want to teach you about how to see visions, how to open your third eye. But I want you to understand the basic first. This is the foundation. And for people that believe this is not real, then this video is not even for you. If you want to know whether this is real, go and look for information online. There are videos of people that have mastered this chakra that the proof is just there. Unless if you don't just want to search for it, which is your own problem. We have the 6th chakra, which is the sexual chakra. If this sexual chakra is not balanced, you have issues with your sexual organ, your kidneys, and things like that. Then we have the 7th one, the 7th chakra, which is the root chakra. It's below the coccyx, just under the body, like 2 centimeters under the body. This chakra is responsible for life. So if you have fear, a lot of fear, this chakra will be blocked. Fear of failure, fear of illness, fear of all kinds of things, fear of the unknown, it will be blocked. But when it comes to visions, okay, dreams, seeing the future, seeing the past, blah, 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 you don't need this 7 all at once. You just need the second one, which is the third eye. That's all. You see, the third eye is not like an eye that they will give to you from one realm. Everybody has the third eye as long as you can dream. Okay? But you need energy. So the third eye is not actually a physical eye that can see. No. It is just a space of energy. The third eye is just like a space. It's the third eye chakra. So that's the one responsible for seeing visions. If you want to activate this chakra, you need to have faith. And you need to believe in the power of intuition. So if you don't believe in the power of the intuition, the chakra will be blocked. You need to believe in imagination. You need to be creative. You need to be someone that believes in imagination. I don't mean you should believe in fantasy, but you need to believe that things are possible. So if you're a kind of person that you don't believe in miracles, you don't believe in spirituality, this chakra will be blocked automatically. You won't be able to see any vision. So you go all around saying that it's not real, it's fake. Whereas your own is just blocked, so you can't experience it, that's all. So for people that want to open their third eye, they must first believe in the power of intuition. They must believe that imagination is real, and imagination is just not just rubbish. If you believe that imagination is rubbish or visualization is rubbish, this chakra will be blocked. You won't be able to see visions. So once you've gotten that, you now move to the next stage. All these chakras, from the 2nd to the 6th, they are horizontal. So let's say this is a human being. They come out, they penetrate the body, all this chakra. They take in energy from here, and they take in energy from here too. This is the chakra. They are horizontal. But the 1st and the 7th chakra, they are vertical. This is the human being, okay? They are vertical. So that means the 7th chakra from the root takes energy from the head, and the 1st chakra takes energy from heaven. Do you understand? I hope you are getting this thing. So the third eye chakra is the 2nd chakra. So it takes energy from the front of the body and the behind the body. Okay? So you can spin this chakra. These chakras can actually spin. This is how a chakra actually look. It looks like a funnel. That's how chakras look. They don't look like petals. So the human being is in the middle. So they will be spinning energy, accumulating energy. The chakras accumulating energy. Do you understand like that? So this is how this thing works. Now let me continue teaching here. Once you visualize the chakra, the color of the third eye chakra is blue. The color is blue. That's the color of the third eye chakra. Once you believe that imagination is real, so all you just need to do is visualize the color, like at your forehead. This is the human being, the head of the human being. This is the third eye chakra. Along this line, you visualize blue energy or white light entering into your third eye. So anytime you breathe in and you breathe out, energy. Breathe in, you breathe out, energy. So once you breathe in, the energy enters into your third eye and it stays. So once you breathe out, the energy does not leave. Only empty air leaves. So if you keep on doing that, you have energy in your third eye. So now you'll be able to see clear visions. Without that, your visions will be blurry, or you will be seeing things that are not really clear because your third eye has not been charged yet. So this is the first step. This is how you can open your third eye. So once you've done this, all you just need to do is visualize an apple in your mind. Visualize a man walking in China. Visualize birds flying in the air. Once you can visualize them properly, you've opened your third eye. That's it. But opening the third eye is different from using the third eye. If you want to learn how to use your third eye, to see names, numbers, prophesy accurately, see details of people, make $10,000, $100,000 per month, depending on your current level, then you need to learn how to use your third eye. You need to join the training. If you need mentorship, you need to reach out to me. You have to. There is no other way. If you have any questions, you can comment below. Okay, there are many uses of the third eye. For you to be able to do this thing anytime you want, it's based on knowledge, your system, teachings. Okay, so reach out to me. This is my WhatsApp number. +349035339683. That's my WhatsApp number. You can follow me on Facebook too, at Prophet Victor. That's it. I'll see you soon.